I got this!
Mate, you tried to gatekeep a storm and it escorted you like a mall cop. So, a Portaloo just did a triple axle over 3 cars and got launched to heaven.
Damn!
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Those shopping trolleys picked 1 car and hit it twice like it owed them money.
No.
Since when did Microsoft make pool floaties? And why did the wind take this one? Or the wind is running a toll booth on your chips and you keep paying. Boss, 2 lads discovered flight in a car park and the CGI budget discovered it right beside them.